welcome. You're watching a very special episode of Heads Up. It's the week where JEE exam has just been conducted. The main, that is, students across the country, in fact, over 13 lakhs of them have appeared for this examination, which of course eventually will take them to some of India's top engineering institutions in fact, that are respected around the world. Who are going to be the ones to crack it this year? Well, we still need to wait a couple of weeks, months to figure that out. But some of those students who've just taken the exam with us, thanks very much for speaking to us. Like I was speaking to earlier and figuring out, you guys still look quite tense. So clearly the hangover of that exam still hasn't gone. So you don't feel relieved, or are you now sort of anxious about the outcome?
This was the initiate step. The real exam, the turning point of our life is going to come up in May 25, the advance.
So you're not looking at a list and saying, chalo, ye ho gaya, ye ho gaya, ye ho gaya. You're basically saying ki, no, one down, several to go. Is that how you feel?
Yes. We're not like that. Everything is now we are relieved. No, we are not. The real tension has now come up. Now we have to perform really good in that, because our ranks in that exam will define our career.
Right. What was the experience of the exam like? We were talking earlier about how the last couple of years preparing for this. So when you finally took this, step one, as it were, what was it like?
I'd say it was a bit lengthy. The math section was a bit lengthy, but chemistry was a bit too easy. But the ambiguous questions took a lot of time, and most of them we couldn't solve them. So it took down our score. Our expected scores before the exam were much higher, but then they got a lot lower, because when we compared this year's exam to the last year's one, it was a bit harder. I won't say really hard exam, but it was a bit harder, and it was a bit lengthy, yes, of course.
The questions required much time than the previous one. The previous years was like the questions were solved by us orally.
I see. This perhaps they sort of figured that they had brighter students than they've had in recent years, so they sort of had to, up their game, yes. But what is it like now waiting? Because I know that the results of this will be out and then you'll decide your next step. Coupled with that, you've had to prepare for the board, something that cannot be taken lightly anymore. You have to work hard there and sort of, do well there as well. So describe to us what the last couple of years have been like.
The last couple of years have been really good. The concept that we studied was much more in depth, and it really helped us, to crack the JEE Mains exam. After this exam, I feel, I won't say a lot relieved, a bit relieved though, but I'm now looking forward to the JEE Advanced exam.
What do you believe is the most important thing besides hard work in cracking these exams?
The right direction. Because when you solve everything, sometimes you waste your time in doing things that do not come. So working in the right direction is very important.
Right, but before I go, I do want to discuss something with you, the need for coaching, because whether you're doing it in, say, a place like Kota, or you're doing it in the cities that you come from, in fact, from the smaller towns, they usually head to the bigger centers just to make sure that they get the best coaching. Why do you believe that is just like such a big focus?
The increasing competition has made it really a necessary factor. It's sort of it's a thing that you have to do. Because when you are facing an exam like a JEE Mains one, if you're studying solely NCERT, solely school-based education, then you face a lot of complications. In order to get over that, you have to get coaching, because it's like a bridge over all those complications while facing all of the issues that you need to tackle, so that you grow, that your knowledge grows deeply. And the thing is that when we study, when we take coaching, we go in the great depths of every concept. So that in that way our knowledge grows and we can tackle even new problems, which we could not if we were solely studying the NCERT books.
I see. So the need to really go beyond NCERT. And that's your experience too. You were saying just with CBSE it would be very difficult.
Yeah, we do, because through coaching we get exposure and get adjusted with the questions that we are going to face in the real exam.
Well, given how confident you are, even though you look a little anxious, I'm sure you guys will sort of be, really successful in all of this. And after you take the advanced paper, we'll come back to speak to you on what you thought of it and if it was as tough as you feared today. But thanks so much for speaking to us and all the very best. Right, so we've just been hearing from students on how they thought the JEE exam went, and of course they've also been focusing on the importance of the right teachers, importance of coaching. We're now joined by Professor Trika to tell us more on this. He's of course someone who's worked with students over the last couple of years so closely in trying to get them one step closer to their dream. Thanks so much, sir, for speaking to us. You've seen the paper by now. I'm sure it's been analyzed and decoded and demystified and all those words and more. Who is the kind of student you believe who will now crack this exam?
I think the question is very apt. And when you look at a picture, the different people from different segments of society will have different perceptions. Same way, when you ask students, they will have their own perceptions depending upon their preparation.
Absolutely, right.
Now, we as teachers or groomers or mentors, we will be able to tell you that what type of student can look at the same paper differently.
Right.
Now, in that analysis, I personally feel that although the pattern was same, 90 questions, 30 per subject, 4 marks, -1 for wrong answering.
Right.
But you know, the paper was different than previous years.
Yes, that's sort of the theme that we've heard from all students,
Yes,
that it
and
was
the
different.
paper, why it was different, that I am coming to. You see, what is our role in coaching? Coaching is not needed if schools do a good job. Now, the difference or the level which has to be filled up for that correct preparation so that they can crack that exam in the right spirit, not that pass marks.
Right.
It is the competitiveness
Right.
which matters.
Right.
There we prepare the students
Right.
for two things. One is the correctness and the second thing is fastness.
Right.
Third thing is no negative marks, because negative marks down the ladder they will
Exactly.
affect, there
Right.
will be so many.
Which is
at the
what I
same
want to ask you, that besides hard work, which everyone, all these students are putting in a lot of hard work. They've spent the last 3 years of their lives, sometimes even more, preparing for this. But besides hard work, what would you believe is the other sort of crucial thing, or the other crucial sort of personality traits maybe, or effort that the student needs to put in to crack it?
Hard work, I'll tell you, when I did my IIT Kanpur, at that time there was one colleague of mine who used to sleep only at 4 o'clock in the morning.
Studying
And,
right up to
studying.
then. Right.
And I used to close my lights at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, and I used to stand, I was in first 3 ranks
Right.
all over IIT Kanpur.
So you're saying that basically
No,
work
it
and
is
play,
not-
you need to know when to
No,
switch
yes,
off and
it's
when
a
to switch
question
on.
of how focused you are.
Right.
You may be browsing the same paper for 5 hours. Nothing is entering here.
Right, right.
That is the spirit which is required for cracking an exam, is that you should be very clear about the concepts.
Right.
Like, a Ford car, you look at the manual and you want to drive it.
Right.
Unless you have experienced the driving, it
Right.
won't take you anywhere.
Right.
So the school knowledge, what it is,
Right.
it is only formula based. It is a same. If you look at the papers all over the past years, you will find only the data has changed.
Right.
Or it is the same, juice in a different kind of a bottle.
Right.
Now here what I am trying to say, it is more than the formulas. It
Right.
is the concept.
Right.
And
Which
that
you
way
need to
the
be
paper-
clear on,
you
and
have
then
to clear on.
any question worded anyway,
Right.
once your concepts
You
are
should be
clear,
able to attempt.
you will be able to
So-
crack.
So here this time the chemistry was entirely different.
Right.
Inorganic portion, which students resort to mugging, that won't do this time.
Right.
This time even the inorganic portion was highly conceptual. That means it is not a hard work which will fetch you marks. Hard work alone. It
right.
will be smart work also.
Right.
Smart
So
work.
this is what you would say is a good paper. This
it a
is
good
this
paper.
is a good
this
paper.
time it was a good paper in the
Right.
sense.
Right.
Now let me tell you my feeling as a faculty. A person, if there are a group of students who have been serious throughout and they have followed this mantra that they have to maximize their marks and they have to make minimum errors and they have to be 100% error proof. Speed also has to matter.
Right.
Now for such students who have been serious all along
Right.
and who have been practicing concept based
Right.
rather than formula based,
They
for
are
them,
the ones, right.
For them,
This-
the physics was a shade difficult.
Right.
Next will come mathematics because lot of calculations were there,
Right.
and they will find chemistry as the most scoring.
Right.
Whereas now you look at the different section, a second section who has followed a conventional practice of answering the questions, and they have more of a mugging that
Right.
kind of a thing.
Right.
For them you will find
Right.
that it is the chemistry paper which will make them lose more marks.
I see.
Although time
So
wise,
again, right.
they may
So
be
then
more
your result is
comfortable.
going to be a judge of sort of is going to be a judge of how you prepared.
Yes,
How
how
clear your
prepared you are.
concepts were and if it's just hard
So
work.
there
right.
it will be the different story.
Right.
It will be chemistry,
Right.
then comes physics, then come
Right.
maths.
Right.
Although mathematics, you have to, you will take more time because a lot of calculations are
Right.
involved.
Right.
But otherwise, you look at the spectrum, it is just reverse. For a student who has not prepared smart way,
This
who
is
has-
not
who has
right.
Who has not prepared
Is perhaps going to be a
conceptually,
little
he
taken
will
aback or
find-
even disappointed.
although he may
Right.
say chemistry was relatively easy,
Right.
at the end
But-
of the day, he will not have marks.
End of right. Well, that's of course very important to work. Thanks very much, Mr. Trika. So it's not just hard work, but it's getting your concepts right and of course applying them sensibly. Speed, of course, also of the essence. But the point that sir, of course, making here that your concepts being key. Well, hopefully all those of you who've taken the exam had work like that. And of course, keep your thoughts coming in. You can also write to us, share your thoughts with us. And if there are any other questions that you want answered from our experts, we're slipping into a quick break now. Back with more.